In this video, we are going to explain how our command ring resizer works. We have this ring that it's in ring size 7, and we want to make different sizes out of this design. So we open our command ring resizer. In the selection panel, we click here and select the mesh of the ring and select the sizes we want to generate. In this case, we are going to make the ring size 6, 8, 8.5, and 9.5, for example. Additionally, we can add a tag to our rings. For example, we are going to add the reference RA, and we can already add the sprue. We can select a portion of the ring that it's not going to be modified during the process, as it can be the setting area of the ring. We update the scene and as you can see, we get the rings with the tag, with the reference we have mentioned, RA, and the ring size written on the tag. We accept, and those rings are ready to be exported to STL file and ready for production.